That's the world famous boots factory across the way at Beeston in Nottingham. I think it's classed as Beeston. I'm having a wander down Thane Road today, which runs on the perimeter of the factory. I've come to take a look at a sewage farm and also a nearby housing development. I thought I'd get the sewage farm in and the adjacent allotments before maybe they change. I don't know how long they're here to stay for, but building land, or possible building land, is very sought after. There's the sewage farm over there. I'm not sure if it's actually still active or not. I can't smell anything at the moment. So this footpath at the side of the sewage farm is closed, so I can't go down there. I'll have to walk around. I do need to get another vantage point for the to launch the drone. Making waves of change, eh? Well, I'll leave you to decide on that one. I've just been speaking to a few ground workers, and this development, which, well, it's 2025 now, middle of June, and it's going to take about 5 years to complete. There are 600 dwellings going on here, a mixture of terraced, 3-storey terraced, and some semi-detached properties. It's a canalside development, so it's going all the way from here to, I'm guessing, 3/4 of a mile away to my left, more or less parallel with the Nottingham and Beeston Canal. With all the development that's taking place in the area, let's get the drone up and have a look at this area from my eye in the sky. blimey, got me heart racing then. That was a tight landing, as you can see. As always, please do like, share and subscribe. Do tell your friends about it, it will help the channel to grow. And I will speak to you very, very soon.